How to mass delete emails in Outlook online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook, click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. And then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on General at the left side. Then click on Storage. In Storage, you will find Recycle Bin at the right side. Click on Empty. After you click on Empty, you will find all these options. Click on 12 months and older or simply select all. Press on OK and all your emails will be deleted. This is how to mass delete emails in Outlook online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.